Hey guys, it's Riley Griffin with Property Revolution. We're out here on Selkirk Lake. This customer first called us because they wanted a nice wraparound style deck where they can enjoy this beautiful lakefront property. They also wanted something to keep them hidden from the sun a little bit. So we built this. Check it out. It's not all the way done, but let's go take a closer look. The first thing that you'll notice here is this is a composite deck, right? This customer wanted something maintenance free, and so that's what we gave them. On the deck board itself, we have a Trex Foggy Wharf color. We're matching that nice with a white fascia. These boards themselves get installed with a plug and screw kit. On all of our composite decks, we install fascia. This gives the deck a really nice, clean and finished look. On this one, the customer wanted to go with white. It's gonna match the handrail and it accents the board really nice too. Now this rail here, this is also composite with aluminum balusters, aluminum spindles. 100% maintenance free. There's no painting or staining. These are aluminum balusters. Again, if something were to spill on this rail or anything like that, it's as simple as taking a paper towel and wiping it off. I had mentioned that they wanted a couple different areas where they can enjoy their deck in the lakefront view. They plan on having a lot of people out here. So this is one of the areas right outside the slider here. We also have an access to get to the front of the home. We have extra wide stairs for comfort. They anticipate having quite a few children out here. We built them this way so kids can move around a little bit. With that being said too, we're also gonna put some gates up for safety. I had mentioned that they wanted something to keep them from the sun. So as you'll see in the before pictures, one, there was nothing here. There was no deck or anything except for a little patio here and there on each side. But this is what we built for them to keep them hidden from the sun while they're still able to step out, enjoy the sun, enjoy the view a little bit. We finished the post off with some PVC to give it a nice clean finished look. We try to keep our posts minimal so it doesn't obstruct the view too much. Tony over here did a great job building this, putting this together. Our crews here at Property Revolution work very hard to meet and exceed the customer's expectations. Again, composite rail all the way around. One other nice thing that we did on this deck is when we built the pavilion for the roof, we installed Azek around the post. Gives it a nice clean finished look. That way we're not looking at brown posts when they're out here enjoying their lakefront property. There are a couple things that we do here at Property Revolution when it comes to installing composite decks is we always install a divider board on the deck. This keeps us from having what's called butt joints where two deck boards essentially butt up to each other. This gives it a really nice clean look. One other thing that we do at Property Revolution when it comes to our composite decks is we install a picture frame board. This gives the deck a really nice clean finish, adds a nice special touch to it. You can see that this deck board goes a different direction than the other deck boards. Again, cleans up the edges really nice and our customers absolutely love it. And we come down this way, here's the other part of the wraparound style. Although the guys aren't done yet, you can already see this customer's started to enjoy their deck. They have, looks like a couple of chairs and some patio furniture out already. Here's a couple other access points so this customer is not having to walk all the way around their house to get to their deck. We have a door here and a door here. We're not all the way done yet, but when this thing is completely wrapped up, it's gonna look phenomenal. One other thing that we did for this customer, and this is why we do multiple different trades here at Property Revolution, is we installed a brand new roof. So this is a GAF system roof. This is a UHDZ shingle. It's a Class 4 shingle backed by a 25-year workmanship warranty. Now the part that I'm standing on used to be metal. This part back here never existed. This part is the pavilion. You can't really tell that this was added on, right? The guys did a phenomenal job with how they tied it back into the home. You could never tell. Looks like the home was just built this way. This shingle, this roof is backed by a 25-year Golden Pledge warranty. It's essentially a roof that they'll never have to worry about. The deck is backed by another warranty in itself. With this roof and their composite deck, there's really nothing that this customer has to worry about. They can enjoy their new projects and not have to worry about it at all.
No more stress, call Property Revolution. Roofing, siding, decking, or fence. Love your home again.